1985, there were 14,427 banks in the United States as indicated by Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation protection. Also, in 2018 expressed there were just 4,718. This happens on the grounds that little banks have been gobbled up by greater banks. Indeed, even medium estimated banks can join different banks, as bank solidification has been a pattern throughout the previous 35 years. 1. J.P. Morgan Chase has around $2.4 trillion in resources around the world. This makes it the biggest bank in the nation and the sixth biggest bank on the planet. J.P. Morgan is the consequence of the consolidation of J.P. Morgan Company and Chase Manhattan in 2000. 2. Bank of America total resources are $1.8 trillion and Bank of America positions second. Settled in Charlotte, North Carolina, the city is one of the biggest monetary focuses in the United States. 3. Wells Fargo converged with Norwest Corporation in 1998 and obtained Wachovia National Bank in 2008, is the fourth biggest bank in the country. With the biggest number of branches, 546 branches, the holding organization of monetary administrations in San Francisco and the bank's central command in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. 4. Citigroup Group Bank, previously known as Citibank of New York, was a trailblazer in the MasterCard and ATM machine industry, and the East Coast had both most flawless banks in the area. In the 19th century it was viewed as what could be compared to Wells Fargo. Citibank, which entered Argentina in 1914, was likewise the primary U.S. bank to open a financial office abroad. 5. U.S. Bancorp on the fifth rundown. United Bank, part of U.S. Bancorp, has more than $100 million in combined resources. Settled in Minneapolis, it is essentially open in the Midwest and West. There are 2,914 neighborhood offices. 6. PNC Pittsburgh is a territorial monetary establishment working basically on the East Coast. With 2,380 branches in 19 states and Washington, D.C., the bank's complete resources are roughly $399.7 billion. 7. Capital One is principally a retail banking process, giving Visa, automobile credits, contracts, examining and investment funds administrations. Capital One, initially an unadulterated Visa organization, extended its financial administrations in 2005. 8. TD Bank has $311 trillion in resources, is a blend of different banks. For a really long time, its names were Portland Savings Bank, Bank North, and presently TD Bank. In 2008, we obtained Trade Bank and converged with TD Bank North of Canada.